My name is Clément. I am a carpenter. I've been working in construction for 25 years. Today our project is to install Willki stone. It's a beautiful product. It's also easy to install. We've done the facade of the garage. Now we have to finish making the columns. To install Willki stone, you need anchor keys which will hold your stone, making sure it's safely secured. They also create an air gap between the wall and the stone. The stone is reversible, so you can install it upside down or right side up. When installing Willki stone, you must start with a starter strip, which has the shape of a right angle that you would level all around. There's a groove at the bottom where the stone sits to make sure it holds. When installing Willki stone, you'll need to do some cuts, and you should use a dry saw. Don't use a wet cutting saw. The panels are easy to cut, both lengthwise and widthwise. What's fun about this product is it's not heavy. They're all 9 by 32-inch panels, so it's easy to manipulate and handle. You don't need any additional pieces, you don't need outside corners. The stone creates outside corners, as well as inside corners. Right now, we're making columns. When making a column, you can't install the stone on one side all at once. We start at the bottom and we go around and complete the whole row. We have to make sure that our stones are all well interlocked and that the joints are all even. When installing the last row of the panels, we cut our stone lengthwise, and in one of the joints at the top of the stone, we make a small hole with a concrete drill bit and we fix the stone with a treated wood screw. After that, we apply a little caulking and stone dust to hide the screw. That's what makes the finish and which supports the last stone at the top. It's a nice finishing job, and when you do the finishing and you do beautiful things like that, it's fun, it's interesting, and it's not hard physically, so you can install this product all year round. And I would love to install this product all year round.